Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today let us learn how to create a name list in MS Excel. So here when I give Jan and then when I drag it, you can see there is a lineup of next months. So next same way we can create it for weekdays. So it lines up. How come it lines up is we'll have when you come to sort and filter, over here you can find custom sort. In custom sort you can find an option as order. Over here you can see A to Z and Z to A, and there is another option custom list. When you click on this, you will get to know the lists which are already there existing. So weekdays and months of years will be existing by default. Over here other lists are what I have created. Today let us learn how to create it also. So firstly I'll have to give a name, for example Navya. So over here Navya is the name what I have given. I want next names to be lined up when I drag. So I'm clicking on this name. I'm going to sort and filter option, over here custom sort, and then click on the arrow, you will find custom list. Click over here and you can type the list. So as you have given first time as Navya, you will have to take the name also Navya, then you'll have to use comma and give other name. So like this you can give names. So as you can see I have given some names, and you can notice that I have given comma after each names. So when I give after typing names, I'll have to click on add, so that you can see it will be appearing in the list. Now after this you can click on add and click on OK. Over here you can see the name list what you have created has been selected, and you can click on OK. Now I have typed after Navya. I can click over here and I can drag so that you can find the list. You can find the list appearing. So same way if you wanna do it for after Rupa again, I'll give one name from the list. I'm taking the name from list only, not from out of the list. So I'm over here I'm dragging it so you can see the list is appearing. Thank you for watching. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.